Hi everybody, it's Artist King and welcome again to another video. Today I am trying something. I'm doing an abstract here and I'm trying to do something a little bit different. So I kind of I hope you guys like it when you take the time to look at it. So thanks to my subscribers, the people who keep looking at my videos. I really appreciate you guys taking the time. So don't forget, you can also see my work on my Instagram at Art by W King, or you can see my older work on my website artbyking.net. Okay, so guys, don't forget I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. So if you're interested in following and looking at my videos, those are the days that you can see them. Okay, so enjoy this video and I will be back at the end. Okay, and thanks in the meantime, thanks for watching. Well, guys, we're coming to the end of the video, and I hope that you have learned something today. You can always put your own spin on any of these videos and make it the way you want it to, and just try it. You know, you might find, like me, that you really like doing these pieces. So anyway, I will see you on my next video, and once again, thank you so much for watching. Okay, all right, bye now.